everyone. Start off by combing the hair and then take a section of the hair from the front. Tie a rubber band to one of the sections and then make 2 braids out of it. Tie it up as such and add multiple rubber bands underneath it. Do the same on the other side and tie a ponytail at the bottom, add multiple rubber bands and loosen it with your fingers. Next, start off by diagonally parting the hair as such, and at the bottom make multiple ponytails. Of these ponytails, make multiple braids out of it and then join them as such until they form one unit. Then lift it up and then tie it up to the side ponytail, make a braid out of it and roll it in on itself. Add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section off the front and then tie a rubber band to it. Then roll the section in on itself. Once you have done that, you may add a decorative rubber band to it and then using the beads of the rubber band make a braid out of it. Once you are done braiding the hair, you may tie a rubber band to it. Now start off by taking a portion from the center of the hair, make 2 braids out of it. Make 2 braids on either side of the head as well. Join these braids as such and use a decorative rubber band in doing so. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts, make 2 braids and then roll it upwards. Add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, leave a portion of the hair from the front. Take a section of a hair and then make a ponytail out of it. Make 2 more sections and then make 2 more ponytails and do the same on the other side. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 portions, add multiple rubber bands in one, braid the bottom and then roll it upwards. Tie a cute bow. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair in place. Take a section off the top of the hair and tie a ponytail to it. Braid a portion of this ponytail and lift it up. Then, add a rubber band to the middle, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up and form this bow. Leave the rest of the hair and add multiple rubber bands as such. For our next hairdo, make 5 sections of the hair as shown and then make ponytails out of it. At the bottom 3 ponytails, firstly join them together, roll them in on themselves, lift them upwards and then make 2 braids on either side. Roll the braids up and then add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 parts and then add a rubber band in the middle of one of the ponytails, roll it in on itself and then pull through the other section through this part. Lift it up. Divide the other portion of the hair as well and repeat the same process. Lift it up once more and then this should form a bow-like structure. Add a rubber band to the middle of it, roll it in on itself and then put it around the bun at the top. Insert the loose ends in place. Once you are done, you may tie the loose ends using some clips. Thank you for watching.